Welcome to Finalizing the Sale with eBuddy. The Troop Cookie Manager should do a final check of eBuddy. Click on the Transactions tab to ensure all the pickups and troop-to-troop transfers for your troop are properly reflected. Then, click on the Girl Orders tab and verify the final number sold of Care to Share under the CTS columns for each girl. For donations to the military, food bank, or hometown heroes, ensure all the cookies have been allocated to individual girls. The difference row should equal 0 when finished. You should also enter all payments received by each girl so that each girl's balance due is 0. Next, you'll want to verify the girl rewards in eBuddy. This step is required for all girl orders. Log into eBuddy and click the Rewards tab. On the row labeled Final Rewards Order, click Fill Out. For the standard recognitions plan for each girl, click the girl name, select the reward choices the girl wants. Then click the Submit Girl Order button. Once the information is correct, click Submit Reward Order. Note, you may not make changes once you've submit your order, so be sure it's correct before you click Submit. To print out the rewards each girl will receive, click Rewards, click Girl Report. You may then open or save onto your computer or print it out for your records. Finally, you should review the troop sales report to confirm the sales summary for the troop. Click on Sales Reports and the troop sales summary will appear. You will see the ACH debits that the council has already deducted. eBuddy will calculate troop proceeds and council proceeds. The troop proceeds is the amount your troop has earned from the cookie program that stays in your troop account. The council proceeds is the amount owed to the council that will be debited through ACH transfers. Your final ACH balance due will be shown under Amount You Owe Council. After the final ACH debit, all the troop balances should become 0. Make sure to finish up the program and make all your entries into eBuddy by the deadline when eBuddy will close and lock. Troops will not be able to make changes after this time.